Hey everyone! Today we're learning one of the most confusing things in JavaScript, double equals versus triple equals. Yep, equals equals versus equals equals equals. This tiny difference confuses beginners all the time. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll totally understand it. Ready? Let's go. First, what does equals equals mean? This is called loose equality. Loose equality checks if two values look equal. But here's the weird part. JavaScript can automatically convert data types before comparing them. This automatic conversion is called type coercion. Let's see an example. 5 = 5, 1 is a number, and 1 is text. But JavaScript says, no problem. I'll convert the text into a number. So it becomes 5 = 5. And the answer becomes true. Crazy, right? Now let's talk about equals equals equals. This is called strict equality. Strict equality checks both the value and the type. No automatic conversion. No guessing. So look at this. 5 = 5. The values may look similar, but one is a number and one is a string. Different types means false. Now things get even weirder. True = 1 becomes true. Wait. What? JavaScript converts true into the number 1. And look at this. 0 = false is also true because JavaScript converts false into 0. Here's another strange one. Null = undefined becomes true. But this one shocks almost everyone. NaN = NaN is actually false. Yep, even JavaScript developers sometimes stare at that one in confusion. This is why many developers prefer using equals instead of equals. Strict equality is safer because it doesn't secretly convert values behind the scenes. It checks everything exactly as it is. Now let's look at a real-world example. Imagine we have this code. Let age = 10. Notice something important. The value 10 is actually text, not a number. That detail changes everything. First condition. Age = 10. JavaScript notices the types are different, so it converts 10. First condition. Age = 10. JavaScript notices the types are different, so it converts 10 into the number 10. Now both sides match. Result? True. So the program prints loose, equal. Second condition. Age = 10. Strict equality checks both value and type. One side is a string. The other side is a number. Different types mean false. So this condition does not run. Here's the easiest memory trick ever. Double equals means values look equal. Triple equals means values and types must match. Simple. Quick rule for beginners. Use equals most of the time. Use equals only when you intentionally want type conversion. That one habit can save you from lots of confusing bugs later. And remember, every programmer gets confused by JavaScript at first. Even experienced developers joke about JavaScript being weird sometimes. So keep learning, keep experimenting, and keep building awesome things. See you in the next video.